This is a 1982 Moto Guzzi Le Mans Mark III cafe racer, and it's a one-off build. It's powered by Moto Guzzi's iconic 850cc transverse V-twin with a shaft drive, giving it a distinctive blend of torque, character and reliability. It is a beautifully re-engineered example of Moto Guzzi's legendary Le Mans Mark III. It has been meticulously built and it shows. The craftsmanship is unreal. It has even been exhibited at the prestigious Bike Shed Motorcycle Club show at Tobacco Dock. This thing of beauty has covered 30,000 miles, and I'll tell you what, I've heard it running and it is loud. This bike has to be seen to be believed. Its shiny chrome tank is a centerpiece in itself, but the contrasting red seat really sets it off. To see this bike and many more beautiful bikes, come and see us at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester, or visit our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk. But for now, I'm going to leave you with the impressive sound it makes.